lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I want to talk about happiness versus contentment. Stay tuned to the end where I check out the new IKEA store in downtown Toronto. I used to think that being happy was the ultimate goal in life. Gradually, I realized that my idea of happiness was based on a laundry list of subsidiary goals. When I get this job, I'll be happy. When I get this pair of shoes, or this dress, or handbag, I'll be happy. When I attained something, there was always another external goal or goalpost. So happiness was always a moving target. Even when I began to realize that happiness was an internal spiritual state, it always seemed unattainable, or at best, a momentary, fleeting, and ephemeral state of being. Now, I believe that it just isn't physically possible to be in a state of delirious happiness every single second of every single day. Trying to attain such a state feels exhausting, to say the least. What is more attainable and more achievable is to strive for a state of contentment, to be present in the moment and feel contentment in the here and now is a great aid in feeling gratitude and increasing a positive frame of mind. So something as a kind gesture, like sending me a care package, as you see here, fills me with contentment as well as happiness. I have found that contentment helps me feel grateful for what I do have, instead of feelings of lack for what I don't have. It helps to fix my mind on the present, instead of on the past, or worrying about the future. What are your thoughts on happiness versus contentment? Please let me know in the comments. I hope this has been of some service to you. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.